Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are taking makhraj of kaf. So we have already taken makhraj of throat letters, and then we took qaf, and now is the turn of kaf. The makhraj of the proper pronunciation when we say kaf, it should be pronounced from the root of the tongue and touching the hard part of the upper palate. So when your tongue lifts up and it uses the hard part of your palate, then the proper pronunciation of kaf can be made. So we can practice it. It is ka, ka, ki, ku. Long vowel. Ka, ki, ku. Then ak, ak. Ka, ki, ku, ka, ki, ku, ak. You can practice it again. It can be written like this too. Different styles of kaf is like this. The pronunciation of ka. Yes, it is written in both styles. So this is ka, ki, ku. The same way. And then ak. Ka, ki, ku, ak. Ka, ki, ku. Ka, ki, ku, ak. Ka, ki, ku. Ka, ki, ku, ak. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.